Hey guys, Aubrey from Bold here, and today I'm going to show you how to do super easy, high converting upsells on Shopify using the Product Options app. Now Bold is one of the highest performing upsell apps on the Shopify platform. The way these usually work on online stores is by showing a modal or a pop-up to a customer at some point when they're making their purchase. These can be really effective, but for smaller items or add-ons, sometimes it makes more sense to do the upsell in line on the product page, like for gift wrapping or maybe extra batteries to come with a specific product. We can use our Product Options app in a bit of a creative way here to show an upsell right next to the Add to Cart button so that it's right where customers are looking when they're making their purchase. So for this video, I'll show you how this looks from the customer side and then show you how to set it up using the Product Options app. So I'm on my storefront here and you can see that I'm on the product page for this black fidget cube. Now this cube is often purchased as a gift on my store, and customers have been asking me if they can have it gift wrapped so that they can add a little something special if they're shipping it to a relative far away. Because of that, I wanted to offer gift wrapping on it. So you can see here on the product page that there's an extra checkbox that offers gift wrapping to the customer at a cost of $3. You can obviously change the pricing for it to whatever your store needs, and I'll show you that later, but you'll see if I click the box here that $3 is added to the product price, and you can see total extra is $3. This is an option associated with the product. Okay, so you can see in my cart that I have the black fidget cube and also this option underneath it to add gift wrapping for $3. Now, I've added two here in my cart just so that I can show you another cool feature. So in the case of gift wrapping, we're really gift wrapping the entire box, right? So if a customer chooses it on more than one product, we don't need to add the charge multiple times. So we have it set up so that it's smart enough to realize this and only add the option price once. So in this case, they're still paying $40 because they have two of the product, but only $3 worth of extras. So the gift wrapping charge isn't being applied twice just because they have two separate products. And you can see that even if you go to checkout here, the customer will see the two fidget cubes and then the $3 for gift wrapping here. And so they know exactly what they're being charged for, and they understand, which hopefully leads to some more conversions. Okay, so now I'll show you how to actually set this up in the Product Options app. So if we load into the app here from the home screen, we'll go to Create and Edit Options. And then from this screen, we'll go to Create an Option Set. Now an option set is a group of products that have options applied to them. So in our case, for example, if I was selling like a very large product that I couldn't physically gift wrap, I wouldn't want customers to be offered the option for gift wrapping on that giant box. So I could exclude products that were very large from my option set. In this case, I'm just going to make one called gift wrapping eligible products. This option set name is just seen internally. And then I'll select the products that will be included in this. So for this particular case, I'll do my black fidget cube here. Then we'll set up the options. So the options are what will actually show on the product page. So in this case, I'm going to add an option called Add Gift Wrapping. This is going to be actually shown to the customer, so we want to make sure it's something they can see. And then the type in this case will be a checkbox. And we have a whole bunch of different option types, and you can kind of play around and see if one works better for you for a particular upsell. But for my gift wrapping, I just want them to be able to check off a box, and that will add it to their order. The system name is just for internal use, so I'll just call this gift wrapping. And the description is kind of like a little tooltip that will show up. So I'll just say, make your gift a little extra special by having it wrapped. Cool. The last thing we're going to check off is adjusts price. So what this does is it adds a price to the product when the customer selects the option. So in this case, we're going to create a charge, and I'll set it to $3. Then we'll have to choose how we want to handle quantities. So this is what I talked about earlier, where we don't want the gift wrapping charge to be applied multiple times just because the customer picks out multiple products. So in this case, I'm going to choose add one option item for the entire cart. So no matter how many products a customer chooses, if they have this option, the price is only going to be charged once. So I'll select add one option item for the entire cart, and then I'll press save. So now that that's saved, we can press save option set. And that's it. So now that product on the storefront will have that option applied to it. It can take 2 or 3 minutes for the options to show up, but definitely go out on your store, test it out, make sure it's all working properly. And that's it, problem solved. Super easy to make upsells like this on your Shopify products, especially inline ones that the customer sees right on the product page. So they have options to customize their product, but you also have the opportunity to kind of upsell a separate product as well. So if you had any questions about something you saw in this video, you can always reach out to our amazing client success team. Their email address is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.